Financial organizations thrive on precision, speed, and trust. This module explores how AI strengthens each, automating reporting and documentation, improving risk assessment, enhancing client engagement, and ensuring security and compliance with Microsoft's AI and cloud tools. In financial services, the goals are clear and so are the challenges. So first, the goals. Every organization is focused on protecting data, staying compliant, and automating routine processes. AI helps strengthen all three, securing the information, monitoring compliance automatically, and streamlining these complex workflows so that teams can focus on higher value work. But there are some challenges. Many institutions still run on legacy systems that don't easily connect with modern AI tools or data protection frameworks. And even newer systems often carry years of technical debt, outdated code, and patches that can slow down innovation and are a bit riskier. So that's why modernization and AI adoption have to move together, building a smarter and more secure foundation for the steps forward. So I want to take a look at some of the 4 big opportunities where AI and things like Microsoft Copilot are transforming financial services. First, increased productivity. Copilots in tools like Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and Power BI help financial teams work faster. They can draft compliance documents, summarize regulations, and even prep financial reports so advisors and analysts can focus on insights and not get so buried in the paperwork. Let me think of contextual interactions. AI brings personalization to every touch point. So this could be things like tailored product recommendations, intelligent onboarding for new agents. And with better virtual assistants, customers get faster and more accurate answers anytime and anywhere they need them. When we look to amplify automation, well, AI automates what used to be tedious. Processing financial data, predicting customer trends, and even generating full financial reports automatically. So this means more time for strategy and client relationships, and less time in the details of these tiny documents. And then finally, intuitive discovery. AI-powered analytics reveal insights hidden in the data, whether it's detecting fraud, speeding up insurance claims, improving underwriting, or spotting market trends before they emerge. In all of these areas, Microsoft's AI ecosystem, from Azure OpenAI to Power Platform, delivers secure, responsible innovation that helps financial organizations stay compliant, competitive, and connected. We have a couple of customers in the finance sector who sat down with us, and we've performed a couple of case studies. I'd like to share some of them with you now. SWIFT, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, has enabled communications between banks and financial institutions since it was founded in Belgium in 1973. The sector demands a solution to fight financial crime effectively. Only a network as large as SWIFT's can carry out such a demanding project. SWIFT decided to build a highly accurate model for anomaly detection to stop fraud. The solution is built in Azure Machine Learning, the Microsoft platform for managing AI systems, and uses Azure Confidential Computing and Microsoft Purview to ensure data privacy. SWIFT is succeeding in building the most accurate anomaly detection model for financial services ever created. This AI will help protect payments around the world. The solution is already reducing costs in fraud remediation and fund recovery. Johan Brisnick is the AI and machine learning product and program management lead for SWIFT, and he has this to share. Our first ambition at SWIFT is to build a foundation model for anomaly detection that underpins the detection and prevention of fraud. Our ultimate goal is collaborating with Microsoft and our community to start thinking about how we can stop fraud occurring in payments. We're exploring the federated learning aspects of Azure Machine Learning, where we take a model developed by SWIFT and further train and enrich it with additional customers' data through Azure Confidential Computing. Using Azure Machine Learning, we can train a model on multiple distributed data sets. Rather than bringing the data to a central point, we do the opposite. We send the model for training to the participants' local compute and data sets at the edge and fuse the result in a foundation model. Tom Zizak is the Chief Innovation Officer for SWIFT. He added this: "Working together with Microsoft and with our banking customers, we can build a model that's much more accurate and much more performant than I think has ever been seen in financial services. Microsoft is a very important and productive strategic partner for us. There's a strong alignment in core values like trust and security. They're able to bring the capability and the expertise to help us solve some of the toughest problems in finance." Manulife is an international insurance company. It was founded in Toronto in, get this, 1887, and it now provides financial services to over 34 million customers. They realized they had to fully exploit the potential of their data and use the Azure platform. The natural next step was an in-depth AI adoption. Manulife is using Azure Machine Learning and Azure AI Document Intelligence to fight fraud. These tools find patterns in the data that help identify fraudulent claims. Their development time is now 30% lower, and they've reduced data-related costs by, get this, 50%. Their performance has boosted, and so they're running more than 50% more services than before. Aaron Mikovich is the Chief Technology Officer for Manulife, and he shared this quote with us: "With Azure, we can deploy and maintain and upgrade in true DevOps fashion, so we can be less expensive, get to market faster, and respond to customer demands more readily." Operating in 14 different countries, we have a lot of different regulations. The global presence of Azure helps us achieve this balance and stay compliant in every region. Just securing an environment for new developments used to take upwards of 6 months. But our data scientists can now set up an environment, get data into it, and start iterating in only a few days. Insurance companies can lose hundreds of millions a year to fraud, and our ability to use Azure Machine Learning to identify correlations in the data and proactively tackle fraud has massive potential. Our development time is 30% lower now, and our cost savings are in the 50% range with our Azure Kubernetes service environment. With the combination of Azure Kubernetes Service, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Azure Machine Learning, we can take full advantage of the innovation that Microsoft already has in place to deliver value for our customers. In finance, AI helps teams operate faster and smarter while safeguarding integrity and compliance. So whether you're streamlining operations, improving analytics, or deepening relationships with clients, these tools enable stronger decisions and greater transparency. With this, you've completed the Microsoft AI for Business Leaders course, and you should be equipped now to lead AI transformation with confidence, clarity, and responsibility. We encourage you to learn more about this course and search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn.